back. Assalamu alaikum. So you are watching the evening show with Ajwa. So as you all know that I am the student of Paragon Academy. So today our guests are also from Paragon Academy. She are also the student of the Tufail Chandu. So let's welcome her. Welcome, Walaikum Assalam.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So let's start our conversation.
Yeah.
So as you were the student of the Paragon Academy
Yeah.
of Professor Tufail Chandu, so what you learned from that?
Okay, I learned too much. It was the first time I go to academy without any hesitation. It also increased my confidence level.
Okay, so my experience was also good. That's really great. My experience was also good. Like I'm also a student of Paragon Academy. You are in basic level. I'm also in advanced level. So the thing is that I also it increases my confidence also, and I get too much knowledge about everything. So it's a very good institution.
I will
So-
really appreciate heaven.
Yeah,
Really.
it's very appreciating. So, we should talk about any general topic. So, as you know that we are living in Pakistan, we should talk about our country. Like what's the problem? Like if Pakistani pupils are facing, like why the Pakistan is not praising by the other countries as compared to other countries. Other countries are praising very much. So, what's the reason behind this?
I think so that Pakistan have many environmental issues like pollution, and in other countries pollution is not that much than in Pakistan. And Pakistani women are not able to go out from their houses because they face many problems like harassment and other problems.
Yeah, the thing is that another reason is that, like, as you know that about the Japanese people or other countries like Japan, the people are very respectful. They respect for others, they help for others, they care for others. Like say to fail, just we watch in say to fail academy, we just watch like a video in which we just see the Japanese people who are very like respectful. They just were very helpful, and they are no janitors. Like they are no janitors, and they are just doing their work by themselves.
Academy.
Okay, so recently in academy we just watched a video in which Japanese people are very good, like they respect others and they were very helpful. I was very shocked to see that pupils as compared to Pakistanis. Pakistanis are very like less have less manners to come as compared to them. So I think so this is a major problem, and if we just face these problems, so it will increase our beauty very much, our country
Yes,
beauty very
yes.
much. So we should avoid that. Thank you so much for coming. We just enjoy for a conversation very much. So inshallah we will meet again. So thank you so much for watching.